The HEI initiative is a pan-European initiative designed to increase innovation and entrepreneurial capacities in higher education. Prometheus is one of the projects in the HEI initiative and is one of the strongest projects in the HEI initiative. Prometheus has really accelerated in their dissemination and communication and also scaling up their projects. So I'm happy to be their project manager, and I'm happy to be here today in Samos, Greece for the Digital Entrepreneurial Summer School.